Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the video. Also hit the bell button and don't forget to leave comments. Thank you very much for watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're solving a big baking question. For vegetarians, vegans, or if you're just out of eggs, I've got you covered. We'll look at 7 easy, healthy options that actually work. First up, mashed banana. Use a 1/4 cup mashed banana for 1 egg. This is perfect for brownies, muffins, and cakes. It makes your dessert super moist and naturally sweet, but yes, you will get a slight banana flavor. Next, applesauce, one of the easiest swaps. Use 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce for 1 egg. It keeps your cake soft and moist without changing the flavor too much. Perfect for cupcakes and quick breads. Now for a vegan favorite, the flaxseed egg. Mix 1 tablespoon flaxseed with 3 tablespoons water, let it sit for 5 minutes, and look at that gel. This works beautifully as a binder in cookies, pancakes, and brownies. Fourth option is yogurt or curd. Use a 1/4 cup yogurt for 1 egg. It gives your cakes a soft, fluffy texture and adds a slight richness. Here's a baking trick. Vinegar and baking soda. Mix them to create a reaction that helps your cakes rise beautifully, super light and fluffy. And the best part, no vinegar taste after baking. For rich and indulgent desserts, use condensed milk. It adds sweetness and creaminess. Use a 1/4 cup for 1 egg. And remember to reduce the sugar in your recipe. Last but not least, silken tofu. Use 1/4 cup blended tofu for 1 egg. It's perfect for dense desserts like brownies and chocolate cakes and adds protein too. See? You don't need eggs to make amazing desserts. If you loved this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes. See you in the next video. Check the description box too.